Local news for Thursday the 7th of September. Recently released data from realestate.co.nz shows that for August 2017, the Wairarapa average asking price was up 7.5% to $430,387, while demand was also up 11.2%, placing it 6th out of 19 regions across the country. Housing stock was down 24.4%, while the new property listings were down by nearly 20%. If you've ever thought about how your organisation may handle a power cut or even a flood or major earthquake, an upcoming workshop may be for you. Wellington Region Management Emergency Management Office is facilitating free planning workshops to help organisations learn about the basics of continuity planning and provide easy-to-use tools to get started on a customised plan that meets their needs. The workshop draws on lessons from experiences in Christchurch and international research on other disasters. The workshops are designed for small to medium businesses as well as NGOs, non-profits and other organisations. The workshop takes place at Reap House, Masterton next Wednesday, the 13th of September. And in sport, the Jock Hobbs Memorial National Under-19s Rugby Tournament kicks off this Sunday with a tough pull for the Heartland Under-19 side. Day one will see them take on Auckland Development. And the Heartland side features 6 players from the Wairarapa Bush area. And the Wairarapa Bush Under-12s play Saturday at midday against Central Hawke's Bay, Trust House Memorial Park, and the Under-13s play Sunday at 10 o'clock against Manawatu. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.